Myntri Rangbah barim ke Jylla, baraju Khatduh kum Mr. Clean, haga Jylla san pertai hamikhalia, Salseng C Marak, ula klad no haga sni tho dieng, haga kerta ba prapulai snem. Yau Salseng la tibru kum Mr. Clean, namar gajinya kunjung kum Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla, bat nong yelam ke Kongres, persya ya kikam bamsam, bat gajingkiu syaprang jong ke Jylla mikhalia. Katkum gajinya thu ki bahayeng, uni urat ba kikam san pertai na rilum garu. Ula kempang mentala Khatduh kat neta yo kebelalam sya kejingra hospital. Yo Salseng la pinkit sya Holy Cross Hospital haga pratarik unailar arja arksau. Pad hadien la pinkit sya Tura Civil Hospital haga khat artarik unailar kejaka ke baula pinher minsim Khatduh e. Salseng ude unong mikmat kumu MLA jong ke Resu Bel para constituency. Barul sya thuning kong e kumu Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla haus nem syihjar khandai spa khandai phulai haga jing senchar ke sorka senrop bayalam de ke Kongres. Kumu Myntri Rangbah bahenrio ke Jylla, uri Myntri Rangbah bandingkong e banyo obat yau lakam ke jing senchar ke bane barok sans nempura.
It is a very sad moment for all of us because she is the first MLA who was elected, you see, from the general election after creations of Meghalaya state. And he was elected for 7 times from the same constituency. He, as a man, he was very good, and then he is very friendly with everybody. That's why you see everybody like him. And he's a very disciplined party man. Till now, he has not said anything against his party, nor he left the party. So he is still in the same party. Though he was not elected, but he has not spoken anything against the party. He's one of the good politicians because he has not created any problem there, and everybody respect him. But after PSM also, say politicians are also there like Dr. also, because he was also a chief minister and become chief minister of Meghalaya for 7 years. So he is also good, but I cannot say that he is the best politician after PSM. But he has his own way of conversing in the politicians and managing his political career. It is very unfortunate that we Meghalaya, we lost one stalwart, and a vacuum created by him, see, will be difficult to fill up. So it is not only a loss for his family, but it is a loss for the entire state. So I would like to give my deepest condolences to the Barim family.
Yes, it is very shocking, and it is very. I am also very saddened to hear the news of his departure. I had the opportunity of working together with him, associating with him during my young days, because when he was a chief minister, I was still a youth Congress leader. I was also in the Congress party, so I had the privilege of working together with him. And I'm very much saddened to hear this sad news. However, it is all in God's hand. So we will miss him very dearly. When he was after his chief minister, after his retirement from politics also, I used to go and meet him. I used to seek his advice on something, and he was very glad to give us his advice or his opinions to us. So we will be missing him very greatly. But I would like to offer my condolences to the family, his sons and daughters. May God continue to give them comfort. It is our prayer.
The sudden demise of Mr. Salseng C Marak, it's a very sad news. Day before yesterday only, I was told that he was not well. He has been admitted to civil hospital in Tura. I was thinking of going and meeting him there in civil hospital, Tura. But unfortunately, this morning, we heard the news of his passing away. So with his passing away, it's a very, sad for us, especially the leader who was very good at heart. He has been doing his best to give a stable government during that time. When political stability was not there in those years. So he has given a good stable government, and he has tried his level best to bring the state far with other states. So therefore his passing away has created a vacuum for us, which will not be able to fill up by anybody. So I would convey my deepest condolences to the family, and may his soul rest in peace.
To the family members of late Salseng Marak, to his people, and it is also a great loss to the state as a whole, as he has contributed in many ways to the people and to the state as a whole. This point in time, I would like to express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family members, and pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members and to His people to bear this great loss that they've had. And I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal peace.
Nga panpa ko yung susi lem bat kabahayin ko masalsa. Uday ruway ni lidar jong ka state o mekhania accept lisar. Ruway ni ridon burom wa ya timu si baro ruway no acceptable leader ng state ang report mo. Unfortunately ang report ng panlo MLA ang nga suos mo ba. Uday ruway ni roma mo bahama. Por mo sakri ba ka state wa don pon contribution mo la ay ka state do. Hakiling baro kamtam ka day berdevelopment. Kadang-kadang nga personally nga panpayo ka jing do inurong ba ka day do lang kunday tang kaying sa kum government mo so do lang ba craft I express condolence nga ya kaying jung baro oi ay ba boleh kendat unayu wah rest peacefully in peace kanang magi ko dikit baro ko ba bikin ya ahmed ka ko pakai
harga siya menin ngadang lek atura naman natin ban penhelama hante potura ngayon jingtip menen ni menstep na do bensis ki me ki atho ba ni kam sitong jo idon ha possible hospital tura te menin ngayon ban lek pek yai apa ba me isi sya ka jistong ka laban jori te me ngampoi berkata ploy atno boleh chip no ya i saladi dan mereka ingin melakukan umur nak kalian cuma simet asmo kalau kejindu kalau kerau ya lidar bakuni ubom don kanu kejisah kanu hanu priu ba baro kia sapertu kia kenal ya kikam nong yalam baku la yalam ya kejelam ya jungi de ngapa ya bijing sekolem ya ki khun ki ti ya ki bhayin ba sen bro pat ya kermen skem ru ba blay un shimti holiday ya kemen sin ka ba koridor ka jong ba esimarang usar esimarang ba ru kermen skem ba un kan maulem yagi kum ke jelam ni kai bro we ba ngin nang yai peten ha kin nong rim bat hagi tenjat kiba kulap ruidak nama ta jongi kiba dang don hasla jonga de khandau tengah pa egi jin solen ya kiba yeng basen bi baro bat na kermes kem bauble undon katlen bat ki hakabakum kade ki jingji hakabasusi
Salseng udairu ubabat ya ka record banyo shong shuki ba khindiat por e kumu Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ke banek tang khat ars ni haus nem shihajar khandai sba khandai kupra ke bapin kenya ke rekod babat dau ba bibi lingdo jong ke sarkar ki singriulum banek tang live haus ni haswa bakan chapin khelem haus nem shihajar khandai sba pra Uni Unang Yalam Barat Ba Kerilum Garu, Ula Badru Kumu Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee House Nem Ahajar Lai. Ke Jylla ke Pyndon burom Khatduh ya Uni Unang Yalam Barim ke Jylla dag ba penlong ya ke State Funeral haka si sejan hai Resubel Para Mini Stadium. Kikin rem kilindan bat ki he ki han nolor ki pajba ke ya tu chekene kamadan ni lekai ban Pyndon burom Khatduh ya Uni Unang Yalam. Ya kemet basa jong Salseng C Marak latep haulum jing tep haka jing parah.
Sri Abu Tahir Mandal, CNRD, Power and Taxation Department, Government of Meghalaya.